Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating permed hairstyles or straight hairstyles on natural hair. And I picked Gwendolyn. I'm going to insert the picture. Her picture that she did for her photo shoot. So we're going to start with that. And my hair is already damp. This is like a couple weeks old hair. Last week I did a hairstyle, this hairstyle. And this is how it's lasted. It's been in a bonnet. So we're going to recreate the hairstyle on old hair on natural hair. So let's get into it. Period. First, I'm gonna start off by parting my hair, and if you want to see my makeup, I did a video on it. I don't know if this coming out first or my makeup, but yeah, tune in. I did do a look on this. And is this part gonna be straight in the back? Probably not. Mind your business. It might not even be straight in the front. Oh wait, let me pull up the hairstyle, y'all. Because it's not even straight in the front. Okay, so it's a side little thing. Well, first, let me just go ahead and part the rest of my head. I'm part my head and come back. Okay, so I part my head the best I could. I'm tired, girl. I'm gonna sweat my makeup off. I'm tired. Did I part the back? No. I'm not doing it. Not today. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. No, ma'am. So next, I'm gonna do the front bang. Which way I want to go? Thinking this way. First, I gotta. She had a little part. She session up her thing. We're gonna do this. Oh, let me put my hair in a scrunchie before I mess it up, y'all. Okay, now let's start on this bang. We can worry about the curls and stuff later. Okay, so let's comb her out first. Let's wet her first. My bad. But I don't want her to revert because I don't want a curly bang. Okay, so let's do the little thing. Let's see how this looking. It can be straighter. Could it be bigger? Should I go bigger? No. Let's see. It can be bigger, but do I want all that hair out in the front though? Now we're gonna leave it this size. I don't want all that hair out in the front. So what we're gonna do is, I got some wax. We're gonna make this part straighter. Okay, so there we go. We got our part, our cute little part. Now if you got to be, that'll probably be better. Let me moisturize my ends a little bit. I don't want them to break off. So see how I was pulling my hair out of my ponytail and stuff? Don't do that, and don't comb your hair with a fine tooth comb. If you do, it's your own discretion, you know, because that could break your hair out. Make sure your hair well moisturized and well detangled, especially if you're trying to pull it out of this. Do not do it on non-detangled hair, girl. No, girl. Okay, so we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna put these up. We can twist them, we can do whatever. Loosely twist them, tuck them behind the ear or whatever. Don't mess up that part up there. But we got our bangs section off. Next, we gonna get our ponytails fixed. Cause while we let that set, we gonna kind of straighten our bangs. We gonna tuck them real tight behind our ponytails so they're like really straight. So let's start on the ponytails. And with the ponytails, I guess I'm gonna do them real high and then take little pieces and curl them. Let me just go ahead and wet this side over here. Put some mousse and wax. Now, the wax I like to use is Moray's. I like to use Moray's wax. And I like to use the lock wax, not this one. I bought this one just to be buying some. I like to use the one in the yellow jar. It is really hard. It's the only thing that works for my edges. Regular hair gel does not work for my edges at all. It curls up, it reverts my hair. It's not for me. The only thing that works is wax, hard wax, not soft wax. That's a soft wax that I got right there. So it don't be doing nothing for me really. But we gonna make it work today. So we're gonna do this. Get that real nice. Apply some wax. So we applied our wax, and then we're gonna take our brush. Put your scrunchie on your arm. I'm gonna take 2 scrunchies because these are real cheap and they no good. I didn't get the good scrunchies. I thought they was gonna be good. So I got 2 scrunchies on my arm. Make sure your hair is kind of wet so it's easy to get the roots. But not kind of wet. It depends on what your hair, you know? Do what your hair like. My hair, it ain't gonna do right unless it's a little damp at the roots to try and get it slicked back. It's gonna be hard to comb. It's gonna break something. It's gonna hurt my head. So we just comb and trying to get it smooth if possible. Take the small comb. Run that through there. The small comb don't really go through my head, but it help a little bit. So get ready. Okay. Jesus. I'm tired. I'm gonna do the other side and come back. Okay, so I'm back from part of my hair. I know it's a little crazy, but girl, I'm tired. So we're gonna do a little bit of wax on the part. And you want your hair puffy and straight puffy, you know? Not curly, no reverting. I'm gonna take some mousse. I wish this was really the hard wax because this would be so much better. Dang, fuck. And rub a little bit on there. Try and get it straight. Make sure she combed out. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap her around your head. Pull her as tight. Don't hurt your, pull your hair out. Pull her tight. Pull her tight, girl. Pull her tight. Like you want to straighten her. Also, with your ends, make sure they're good. We're gonna roll her. Hold her a little bit. Roll her, hold her a little bit. Roll her and hold her with the wax. A little curl. And then we're gonna tuck her. And we're gonna take the other one too. Let's just tuck her behind my ear for a little bit. Get the wax. Make sure she combed out. Now this end a little bit nappy. Comb her out. Roll her. Hold it. We're gonna get a scrunchie. Both of them tight. You can kind of do a little twist if you want to make sure they don't be super puffy. I'm gonna twist up here. Just a little bit. Twist it, pull it straight. Not a real twist, but twist it, straight, wrap it up. And tuck it. And put a scrunchie on it, girl. Or pin it. So now I got it straight. Now what you're gonna do is take a wrap. You're gonna put some mousse down. Don't revert your hair. Put the mousse down. Take your comb. Try to make it straight as possible. and wrap it. Okay, now she wrapped up. And now let's start on the ponytails, girl. Let's see. So I'm gonna take the puffy parts of my hair like this, and that's gonna be the twist. So let's separate that. We kind of like puff it up and make it bigger. What we can do is make it stand up more. If my hair would stop getting caught together. So to give it a little bit of length, I did an extra scrunchie and kind of pulled it up so it was taller. And so we're gonna take our first piece, small piece, and we just comb all of it first. So it's all combed. Take our little piece. That should be a big enough piece. And we're gonna twist her. Twist her good, girl. Twist her tight. And if you got hairpins, then you would use hairpins. What you're gonna do is twist her tight, wrap her around your finger, and tuck her in. Okay, so I don't have any hairpins. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist the whole part that we're gonna use, and then I'm gonna stuff it in my scrunchie. Period. Innovative. So we're gonna take our next part, separate her, and twist her up. Twist, twist, twist. And wrap her around my finger. And place her back here, because we're gonna come back to her. Twist, twist, twist. And you don't want to twist around your finger like you curling. You want to twist. Wrap around my finger. Throw it to the back. So I'm gonna do all this, and I'm gonna come back when I got them twisted. Okay, so I got them twisted up. I got them all separated to the back. So we're gonna start with the bottom. Twist her out. And some of them you want big and loose, some of them you don't. So we're gonna twist her around my finger. Okay, so I found some pins. Now, they're from my old craft bag with some of my old craft stuff. So they're not real pins, but they gonna do what it do. They pins for jewelry, but they still pins, so they gonna work. They gonna make it do with it. So wrap it around the finger. And be more neat than me. Take your pen, slide it off. And pin her, period. And then we'll go back over there and make it neater when we get there. Wrap it around your finger. Slide her off. And pin her. See there? Let's go to the next one. Wrap her around my finger and pin her too. And I like them kind of big because I got a lot of hair and I want you to be able to see them. So I'm gonna leave mine kind of big. Last one. And make your parts way neater than mine. Wrap it. And we're gonna put her on top. Okay, and that's one little ponytail, period. So we're gonna pick our hair out. I guess that's what I'm gonna do with this. Or we can, let's see. We can just straighten up the curls. Just straighten up the puffiness a little bit. Since this is super puffy, I'm just gonna add that one. And I'll make her real puffy. So I'm gonna do my other ponytail and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna touch it up and see what it's looking like. BRB. Okay, y'all, so I finished doing everything. I did the other side. It didn't feel a little bit. It's 9 now. I started this at 5. I didn't hung out a little bit. I did my lip and now I'm back. And I'm gonna pick my hair out a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And let's take down these bangs and see how they turned out. They didn't have about 4 or 5 hours, so let's see what they looking like. Oh, she flat. A little wavy because it went around my head, but she cute. Let me curl it in. This is giving very much rock. It's giving very alternative, and I like it. I might put gloss in the middle. I think I should. I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished hair. I picked it out some more, kind of messed with it a little bit, and I took down my bangs. And this is what it's looking like. Let me know what you guys think. And it's time for the close-ups. What could I have done better? Girl, I was tired. I could have made it cleaner, you know, but I didn't have really good hairpins. If you got really good hairpins, your hair, you know, you got everything going, then it's going to be way better than this. This was on a whim. I decided today I'm going to do that. I look for the hairstyle, and I did it. So, yeah, stay tuned for the close-ups. And I think I'm going to change the lip. I don't know. I'm not feeling the lip. I might change it. But yeah, bye. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. I redid the lip, and this is as good as it's gonna get. Cumulus clouds all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?